When considering electrical boxes, a common question arises: metal versus plastic, which is safer? Let's delve into the advantages and disadvantages of each to help you make an informed decision. Metal nail-on boxes offer several key advantages. Firstly, durability. Metal boxes are inherently more durable than their plastic counterparts. This robustness provides superior protection for the electrical wires and components housed within. Secondly, fire resistance. Metal is a fire-resistant material. In the event of an electrical fault, a metal box can significantly reduce the risk of fire spreading. Thirdly, electromagnetic interference or EMI shielding. Metal boxes offer a degree of EMI shielding. This can be beneficial in protecting sensitive electronic devices from electromagnetic noise. Fourthly, grounding. Metal boxes provide a more reliable grounding path for electrical circuits. This enhanced grounding can help prevent electrical shocks, improving overall safety. However, metal boxes also have some disadvantages. Firstly, cost. Metal boxes are generally more expensive than plastic boxes. This price difference can be a significant factor, especially in larger projects. Secondly, weight. Metal boxes are heavier, which can make them more difficult to handle and install, particularly in challenging locations. Thirdly, rust. Metal is susceptible to rust, especially in damp or corrosive environments. Rust can weaken the box and potentially damage the wires inside. Now let's examine plastic nail-on boxes. These also have their own set of advantages. Firstly, cost. Plastic boxes are less expensive than metal boxes, making them an attractive option for budget-conscious projects. Secondly, weight. Plastic boxes are lightweight, simplifying installation and reducing strain, especially when working overhead or in tight spaces. Thirdly, non-conductivity. Plastic is a non-conductive material which can help prevent electrical shocks. This inherent insulation is a safety benefit. Fourthly, corrosion resistance. Plastic boxes are resistant to rust and other forms of corrosion, making them suitable for use in damp or corrosive environments. However, plastic boxes also come with disadvantages. Firstly, durability. Plastic boxes are not as durable as metal boxes and can be more easily damaged by impact or physical stress. Secondly, fire resistance. Plastic boxes are not fire resistant and can melt or burn in the event of a fire. This lack of fire resistance poses a significant safety concern. Thirdly, grounding. Plastic boxes do not provide a grounding path for electrical circuits, which can increase the risk of electrical shocks. The absence of grounding is a major safety drawback. So, which is safer? In general, metal nail-on boxes are considered safer than plastic nail-on boxes. This is due to several factors, including durability. Metal boxes are more durable and offer better protection for electrical wires and components against physical damage. Fire resistance is another key advantage. Metal boxes are fire resistant, reducing the risk of fire spread caused by electrical faults. Furthermore, grounding is a very important factor. Metal boxes provide a better grounding path, which can help prevent electrical shocks. That being said, metal boxes are more expensive and heavier than plastic boxes. If cost or weight is a primary concern, plastic nail-on boxes may seem like a viable option. However, it's crucial to carefully weigh the safety benefits of metal boxes against the potential cost and weight savings. Consider the specific application and environment. For example, in areas prone to moisture or corrosion, plastic boxes might be preferred despite their other drawbacks. In high-risk areas where fire safety and grounding are paramount, metal boxes are the superior choice. When selecting electrical boxes, always prioritize safety. Ensure that the chosen boxes meet all applicable electrical codes and regulations. Proper installation is also crucial for ensuring the safety and reliability of electrical systems. When in doubt, consult with a qualified electrician to determine the best type of electrical box for a particular application. Remember, the safety of electrical installation should never be compromised for the sake of cost savings or convenience. Electrical safety is paramount, and making informed decisions about the materials used is essential for protecting people and property. Understanding the properties of each material is essential to ensure a safer electrical environment. Both metal and plastic electrical boxes have their advantages and disadvantages. The best choice depends on the specific application, environmental conditions, and budget constraints. However, prioritizing safety should always be the primary consideration. In summary, firstly, metal boxes excel in durability, providing robust protection for wires and components. Secondly, their fire resistance significantly reduces the risk of fire spread in electrical faults. Thirdly, the superior grounding capabilities of metal boxes minimize the risk of electrical shocks. Fourthly, while metal boxes offer EMI shielding, it's a secondary benefit compared to safety aspect. Fifthly, plastic boxes are cost-effective, reducing overall project expenses. Sixthly, their lightweight nature simplifies installation, especially in difficult locations. Seventhly, the non-conductivity of plastic provides an additional layer of electrical shock protection. Eighthly, plastic boxes resist corrosion, making them suitable for damp environments. Ninthly, prioritize metal boxes for high-risk areas where fire safety and grounding are critical. And tenthly, in less demanding applications, plastic boxes may be acceptable if safety standards are maintained. Make sure to always adhere to electrical codes and seek professional advice to ensure the safest possible electrical installation.